What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna throw on the SI badges. Long overdue. Let's do it. Oh, well, that didn't really help, did it? How the fuck am I gonna do this? I guess I take this out. All right. Did not think this through. Let's see. All right. So I have no idea what I'm doing. This is great. Is there an easier way to do this? You're fucking kidding me. Drop the bolt instantly. Haha. Ah. Alright, there's one. Looks kind of shitty. It's kind of shining through here. Maybe I should cut it. Don't know why they're so big. Looks good though. Alright, I'm gonna trim this up and show you after. Alright, so shorten the washers, or whatever you want to call them, down here. So now, you don't see them from the front. There we go. We're just gonna put the bumper back on and then head to the back. And that's it. The front's done. Looks good. All right, time to do the back. Oh, that's crooked. Nice. Perfect. Let's see. About there. Oh, it's rounded there. Where the hell is this supposed to go? It's curved. This. Where the hell does this go? Oh boy. I guess I just... Why? Interesting. Alright, fuck it. There. Check the internet for reference. see. Is that about right? Should be a little lower. Good enough, I guess. There we go. Officially an SI yet again. Nice. All right, well, that's it, guys. See you later.
Do you